We are here, we parked, and it's very bad road. I probably scratched the color from my car. Like, look. And this, because it's huge trees and bushes. Okay, here we are. Welcome our friends. I just wanted to show you. Today we are going to Velika Duvjakuša, peak Velika Duvjakuša on Dinara. And we are starting, down there was a village called Ježević, and it's close to Knin. It's Dalmatinska Zagora. So we are going to hike Velika Duvjakuša and maybe Troglav. You'll see by the name of the video, did we do Troglav? If the name is Troglav, then we were at Troglav. If not, then we were only to Velika Duvjakuša, which is above more than 1000 meter elevation from here. And this road is like, it's said, made with European Union funds, money, and it's horrible road. I don't know, if Europe did this road, they did it very bad. Look, and when you enter inside, you cannot go back. You can, but it will be very hard to drive. So you just have to go until you find something like this. So I parked a little bit lower than I planned, but I didn't have a choice. Okay, now let's go up there, first on the road, and then we will see how's the path. We should have gone more with car, but it's not possible. Okay, let's go, let's start today's hike, let's go. In front of us are some rocks and some peaks on Dinara, but this is not neither Velika Duvjakuša nor Troglav. This is just first part. Up there is valley. It's like flat part. And then are peaks we need to visit. Yeah, this is the path. And for now it's mostly in the woods. So it's not too hot. Okay, let's continue. Crossroad, we go left, Duvjakuša 3 hours. So we passed around half up to 1 hour. Troglav 4 hours 30 minutes. Velika Duvjakuša. Right, Ježević, that's where we came from. Here it's a bit more sun, so it's more hot. But let's continue towards the peak. Let's go. Beautiful view on the rocks above us. See, very specific. Okay, let's continue. One more view, and we are down there. See where the canyon is, and that little rock. Before this rock is my car, I think. And down there is Peruća Lake and Ježević. We have to get up there. And we go there for now. Let's keep going. Crossroad, we are now above a 1000 meter elevation. We are going towards 1100 up there, and I see it looks like it's less and less woods from now on. This is where we came from there. I put 1 liter of water on the ground down there, a few meters lower, and I eat one, I don't know what's it called, we call it in Croatia burek with meat, but it's like pasta and meat. Yeah, I eat one, and now we continue. Up there it looks more open. Here is crossroad. We go left. Let's go. We are at the crossroads. Here, huge table, huge info table, forest and tickets. So tickets is where we always have trouble. That's the word. When I say bushes, it's tickets. Tickets. Left, Marin Buna, right, Velika Duvjakuša. That's it. Here is a bit of view towards the lake. Peručko jezero. Peruško. So, Peručko lake. Yeah. And you see, we have a lot more to climb. Let's keep going. We are gaining elevation, still no shade, all open fields and rocks. Up there you see the stick, and the view here is quite nice. We are on this meadow, but it's angled meadow, it's falling down. Here is Modruš, that's where all the signs lead us. And a bit more to go. Yeah. Peručko jezero, Peručko lake. Hope you like it. We got to get back down in the canyon. And we still have a lot to walk. But not that much elevation when we climb this hill. Then it should be more flatter. Then mountain shelter, and then last 100 meters elevation to the peak. So after this it should be easier. Let's go. Still going up, a little bit more left to the flatter part. You can see these red sticks straight forward. And this is the meadow and valley on the hill. Here is like first where we thought it's flatter part, but it's not yet. It's up there. Okay, that's it, Dinara, you see it. Let's keep going. And finally, flatter part, that's what I expected. And maybe you see the cross, white cross. That's our destination, that's Velika Duvjakuša. And on the right side down there is shelter. So that's our next destination. Finally we arrived. To the upper part. And now it's way easier because look, it's meadow, it's wind, it's not hot, it's almost a little bit cold, but it's not cold, it's just perfect. And it's not steep, so we'll get to shelter probably fast. Let's go. From here we see everything. In the middle, Duvjakuša, Troglav, and shelter on the right side, like here. So this is perfect. So that's I wanted to visit today this peak and this peak, both, but I don't have time. It's already 3 p.m. If I sleep in shelter, then I could do the other peak. Okay, let's keep going. We are at new place. Here we will go. We came from that direction in front of us, and now we go up here. Velika Duvjakuša, planinarsko sklonište puma. Jankovo brdo, Torlakova glava, Ježević. Znači, mi smo tamo stigli. We came from there, from Ježević. Now we go up. Velika Duvjakuša. You see the signs. And there is Troglov, but we don't have time. If we start from here, we would be 2 times already at the peak, probably. Maybe 2.5. By the elevation we already did today. Okay, here is the strong wind, and it's kind of cold. Not cold, but it's not hot. Let's go up, and then on the other side down. Let's go. We are almost at the peak. You see, just a few minutes left. This is the view. I don't know how will the view from the peak be, but this is the north side, and we came from there, from this this pass. And various peaks and mountains around us. Cool. Let's go to the peak. Probably we'll have a 360-degree view, but let's see. Let's go. Ta-da! Here we are, peak Velika Duvjakuša. I already took the stamp. Now I got to take the pictures and we go back. We came from there, from the north side. And all those peaks you see are in Bosnia and Herzegovina. So those are all. And this is Troglov. Peak Troglov. That was my desire for today, but unfortunately it's already 4 p.m. We don't have a time, we have to go back. So this is the east view. Let's go slowly with panoramic view. And this is Veliki Troglov. And some other peaks in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Although down there somewhere is border, because shelter, you see the shelter is in Croatia, and parts of the road are also in Croatia. And this shelter down there is, I think, also in Croatia. I think that could be Vjetr's Dinara shelter. And down there is Mali Maglaj. You've got that video also. We hiked there. Then Kamešnica. This is the peak again. This is south. So now let's see west. The big mountain in front of us is Svilaja, and down there is Peruča Lake or Peručko jezero. And this is the monument I will show you later to our fallen warriors in home war for sovereignty, or what's the name, where we tried to defend and successfully defended Croatia from aggressor. Yeah. And this monument is coincidentally from what's it called, Army Brigade Puma, and this brigade is from Varaždin, and that's my area, and boys from my place were also in that brigade, and some of them died. I was very young back then, I had less than 10 years, but I knew and I know some of the fighters from that brigade. This is Peruća Lake. We go back there. Kijevski Bat, Dinara. Here you can see me. This is my original fit. My hat, my t-shirt. I started my series All Croatian Peaks in Croatian language 5 years ago with parts of this fit. You can especially see it on the hat cap. It's you can see the traces of the use and tears. And this will be the last video in my series in my Croatian channel. So this is the last peak from the All Croatian Peaks series, but it's called Svi Hrvatski vrhovi in Croatian language. It's 150 peaks in Croatia. And there is Sinjal, Dinara. This is the highest peak of Croatia. Yeah, I have the video in Croatian channel. And some of these peaks are in Bosnia and Herzegovina also. So 5 years of the traveling and hiking, I've done more than 150 peaks, and I did all the hardest peaks in Croatia, and I gave my all, my physical, everything, my mental, everything, my financial, everything. I'm doing it for 5 years now. And this is the last peak. I'm kind of emotional. I never cry, but when I was filming for my Croatian channel, even tears went down. It's 5 years, 5 full years of hiking. And even harder thing than hiking is creating videos. Like, I've got maybe more than 250 hours of videos, because some peaks are 1.5, maybe even longer videos. This is the Trogov. Yeah. And except for first year when I didn't have money for the camera, so I filmed with my Samsung Galaxy S6. this is the lowest quality videos. And year 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and now 5th year, I even have DJI Osmo Action 4. And 2nd, 3rd, and 4th year, I had DJI Osmo Action 1. So the videos are in 4K. Yeah, this is shelter, and this is me. This is a monument to our fallen warriors. It's quite windy here. You see, every rock is one life at least. And some lives are probably missing the rocks. Seventh Army Brigade, Puma. They went from down there all the way across the mountains, and there and another Dinara, and then they come. Knin city was occupied, so they surrounded it, just left few corridors, and then aggressor fled from the city. And it was very clean operation, and main reason for that was because they surprised the aggressor going through the mountains, through the hard terrain. Yeah. Okay, that's it. Now let's go down there to the shelter and then back almost to the lake. Let's go. We are going down, and here is some info table. You can pause the video and read if you want. History of Dinara to the present days, according to the Illyrians. Sacred Hill. Very interesting. So I will also read it, but now I have to go. We are running low on time. It will be probably night when we get to the car. But it's okay. I have headlight, so if we have to walk a few meters with light, we will do that. Okay, let's go next shelter. Another info table. Endemic plants of the Dinara Nature Park. Yeah, Dinara is nature park. And here you see somebody left the water. So if you are thirsty, you can take it. And it's Putoloye. So the operation where they liberated the Knin was called Oluya, or storm, let's say storm. Yeah, and this is the path of that operation, so people come here, especially ones that lost family members, and to give their praise and what's called memorandum, memory, I don't know. So that's why the water is here. Yeah. Let's go there to the shelter. Let's go. And here we are, shelter. with lots of signs with some info, panoramic view, and this is the shelter. So here we are, and down there we will go back. And this is shelter, and when you are at shelters, then it's open always. Shelters are always open, so I can show you inside. Here is the water. And here is another part where you can cook. With the gas stove. And here is probably where you sleep. But I shouldn't go too much because I didn't. Here is a sleep. You should always take off your shoes when you're entering sleeping parts. And that's it, that's shelter. Yeah, I don't know where's... Oh, it's not working. I wonder. Oh, it says water for drink. Yeah. And that's it. That's the shelter. Free for everybody. And now we go down there and right to the pass. So let's go. We are going down. We left the house, mountain house Pume, and now we have to pass all this fields, valley, and down there. This is the view. Up there is mountain house, and here is the peak we visited, Velika Duvjakuša. And now just go down, down, down. Let's go, let's get back. Evo nešto na putu. Ne znam da li je živo ili ne. Zmijica. We are going down, and this is when we got here. It was almost like we arrived, and it really was. So when you see the cross up there, that's all. You are almost done. And this, and you see the sun. Yeah. It's very nice weather. It's not too hot, not too cold. Let's go down. We are going down, and this is the best view to the lake. Because you can see further to the left. And when we get down, then you see just right part of the lake. And up there we were. It's quite steep and hard. And down there is canyon where our car is. So now you saw, it's a bit foggy, but you can see it pretty good. Let's go, let's keep going down. We are almost down. You see, behind that rock down there is our car. Sun is setting, rocks above us. As I told you, these rocks are nothing. We go way, way, way higher. And the view. And down we go. Next car, let's continue. That's it, here we are, my car. Up there, we went from there. And now I have to go down there, and it's ticket, or what was the word after. Look at this, it will scratch me whole car. But we don't have a choice. Only way we can go is down. Okay, that's it for today. It was very hard hike, like more than 1000 meters. You have commute route under the video. You can see how much it was exactly. You can see pictures, you can see GPX and GPS trace. So link is in the description below. Commute route, just click. And also in the description is linked to my creation channel. There you can support me. So if you like this video and views and my effort, click like, subscribe, watch more videos and support me on my creation channel. You can become member so I can continue hike, travel and explore. Okay, that's it for today. I'm quite tired, so short outro, and I'll see you in next video. Bye.